Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F05 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that we've got the internet connection, and then let's enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can do it. Simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. And here we've got all updates pending. So all you have to do is to mark the option you want to download. You can mark all of them if you want to, and then tap on this update icon, and right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully applied to the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.